Hey guys, welcome back to VFix Technology. Today I brought another video of Bagisto. I just created another package for a payment gateway called PhonePe based in India. So people who are from India, good news for them. So far till today, there was no package for Bagisto PhonePe configuration. I brought up and made it open source and free of cost. So any one of you need PhonePe payment gateway integration, use my package and kindly start this GitHub repository. I'm going to add the link into the description. Let me tell you how it works. Let's jump to the details. So first of all, that's the link. I'm going to put it into the description, and it's just a three-step process. First, it's a composer package. Composer require vFix technology, Bagisto PhonePe. Second, add this class to the providers. Now, if you're using latest version of Bagisto 2.3 or above, then they're using Laravel 11. You might want to go to the, let me tell you where it works. You may want to go to Bootstrap app and here, my bad, Bootstrap providers and add this code into the providers, right? Then step three, you have to put an exception for a CSRF token on a specific route for a PhonePe callback route. So just copy this command and come to the Bootstrap and app, Bootstrap app and add it right here like this. That's pretty much it. The job is done. Then clear the configuration and you are able to use PhonePe. Yes, this is that much simple. It takes only 1 or 2 minutes and you are the boss. Once you inject the package, you come to the settings, configuration and payment methods. Then you can see the details like this PhonePe extension. And here you can put the merchant ID and the merchant key. And you can select the environment, sandbox or production salt key. Index going to be 1 by default. That's what comes from the PhonePe. Choose the environment and you are the boss. Let's go ahead and make a transaction. Let's see how it goes, right? Okay, cool. So I have added a product into the cart. Let's go to the cart, checkout, and let it come up. I'm going to use the default address. I have tested it before, it saves that. Now the payment method. Now it has the PhonePe option. Now you could upload a logo as well of PhonePe. There's an option in the settings. I have given that. So if you upload the image, it won't show like this. Choose the PhonePe method, place an order. And yeah, it is talking my language. I'm going to use default card numbers, dummy fillers. I'll put any name. Pay 21, go to the success route, and it should work. The transaction successfully got created. Now it's going to redirect to the thanks page and the job is done. That's pretty easy and very, very straightforward, guys. So guys, if you want more videos like this, I need motivation from you guys. Kindly help me, subscribe and allow notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye for now.